Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking you on a night point of view drive with this car. As you can see, it greets us with the gorgeous lighting signature. This is the new LYNK CO 01, the facelifted version. You can see the lovely gloss black grille and of course the distinctive look with the split headlights design. 4 meters, 54.5 centimeters is the length of the car. You can also notice the new design of the wheels, the 20-inch wheels. In this case, we have the more trim. So there are 2 trims available, Core and More. This is the lovely black color, the sparkling black. And I will now lock the car and then unlock it to show you the lighting signature. So you see how it tells you goodbye, but we will now unlock it. Look at this. How gorgeous is that? So cool. So they are almost connected. You have the LYNK CO lettering in here, 01, and also let me show you the trunk space, 466 liters of space. And yeah, we are now ready to go on a drive. Press this to close the tailgate. I want to hear your thoughts on the design itself. Now we will enter this gorgeous interior. Take a look at this new screen and also the seats with the lovely integrated headrest. But now, without further ado, let's see how this looks from driver's perspective. Here is your view as a driver. Let me immediately start the car by pressing the start button over there. Put on my seatbelt and we are ready. This is the gear selector. Put it to drive. Release the electronic parking brake and we are ready. Now the layout here in front of us, very nice and modern. 15.4-inch HD touchscreen, and in front of the driver, the digital cockpit. Lovely 3-spoke steering wheel. And also, I must compliment the sound of the indicators. I think it's very smooth. Now let's start with the specifications of the model in our video. It is the plug-in hybrid combining 1.5 liter turbocharged petrol unit and electric motor. Combined system output is 276 horsepower, 535 newton meters of torque. And now we are outside, so I hope you will enjoy this relaxing drive through my hometown of Zagreb in Croatia. Now the figures for this car, again, combined system output 276 horsepower, 7.7 seconds to reach 100, and the top speed is 200 kilometers per hour. The car has got the 17.7 kilowatt hour battery, giving it an all-electric range of 75 kilometers by WLTP standard. Now you may have heard the beeping sound, of course the speed warning, mandatory by law in all new cars in Europe. Of course you can turn it off. I have this menu here and you can basically change various things within the menu itself. You have the car settings here, and also I believe you saw the settings here for the assist. Now we will turn right here, but I see some construction going on, but it's all good. So speed limit, and you have also speed limit warning, so we'll put no alarm. And also driver alert control, I will turn it off. There we go. And you have the 360 camera when you turn on the indicator in the lower speeds. Then you have this view, which can help you when you are maneuvering. So the petrol unit has got 137 horsepower. It is the 1.5 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol unit. And currently we don't have the battery, so it's not charged. And you will see how the drive is with battery being here showing 0 kilometers. But you will see that even with this, you still have the smooth drive and some electric drive, so that's really nice. And in front of us, digital cockpit. Press this view button and now we go to different view. Now also here, when you swipe it, you have two options, either the car view or the map view. So this is then the map view. Tell me in the comments which one do you prefer. And I love driving this car. It is so smooth, the drive is comfortable. You have the independent multi-link at the rear, and also pronounced electric sound at lower speeds, of course, to warn the pedestrians. And again, let me show you the car view. And you have the custom button here. As the name suggests, you can customize what you want it to be used for. So currently we have it for the different driving modes, so power, pure and hybrid. I can see it here on the right. You can also have it, for example, for 360 camera or other options. You can set it up within the menu itself. The AC controls are on touch now, so yeah, it's okay, but I would still prefer to have the standard switches. Press this to go into the menu for the AC, and then you have, currently we have the auto, so we have low, mid and high, or if you select manual, then you can adjust the air blower like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and similar. And here you also have the drive mode selector, so if we put power, very nice throttle response. So this model again sits on the 20-inch wheels. The base spec would be Core, and that one has the 19-inch ones. The map view is quite cool. Let's put the car back to the hybrid mode. And yeah, we can have also the map view on the digital cockpit as well. Now the car's got the ambient lights both at the front and at the rear, but I would love them to be a bit stronger. Of course on GoPro it's a bit harder to catch how they look, but yeah, I think like more illumination, especially in this section, would be nice.
You can change the color within the system. So if we go to settings, car, and then here we can also put the pulsing. But yeah, it's something that I really love, and yes, this is nice, but I think this can be even better. And now we have this beeping sound when you turn, when we actually encounter new speed limit. I believe that can also be changed, so speed limit update reminder, that's probably it. Notice how the lights follow the steering input. I'm not sure how much the camera is catching it, but also useful and convenient feature of the car. And we have smooth sailing here. Let's open the window. You can hear the pronounced electric sound. And here is the minimalistic gear selector of the 3-speed hybrid specific automatic transmission. And that was it. I hope you enjoyed this night drive through my hometown of Zagreb. Tell me in the comments, how do you like the car? How do you like the changes on this facelifted version? And do subscribe for more. There will be a full review during the day for more details of the infotainment system. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye bye.